pair of Bose QC earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair this via Bluetooth to your LG TV. So first things, we need to go to the settings on your LG TV. Just click on the home button. You can click on the home button. And then when this here pops up, the settings icon, the gear icon is up there, okay? You can also, you may have a settings button on your remote too, or if you don't, you can just go up there. So let me just navigate up there. Let me go up. And then let me move over to the right, the settings icon. Let me click on OK right there. And this pane on the right will pop up here. And we're going to go down to where it says sound output. Currently, it's going to my internal TV speaker. So let's click on OK on the remote. And now we're going to move it over. We don't want internal speaker. We don't want optical. HDMI ARC, no. Bluetooth is what we want, okay? Now what we want to do is just go down one. It says device selection right there, highlights in pink, and then click on OK. And now it's automatically searching. Okay, don't worry about those are my other headphones and earbuds. I had to connect it paired before, but now it's searching. So now it's going to grab your Bose. What we want to do is just go ahead and open this up, and then hopefully it finds it right away. Let's see here. It's still searching. You can see it's searching right there. So if it doesn't find right away, it's probably connected to a different device, maybe my phone or whatnot. I'm just going to go ahead and hold this button. I'm going to hold it for like 3 seconds. Okay, now it's blinking blue again, and then I have to do the search. It stopped. Let me do the search again, and then let's see if it finds it this time. Now, oh wow, what do you know? And you can see right down there, it says Bose QC earbuds. So now I'm just going to go ahead and go down, and I'm going to highlight that right there. I'm going to click on OK, and give it 1 second here. And now you can see it up there in the check mark, so it's currently connected, okay? And now the thing is, if you guys have an issue with the connection problems, then what I would suggest is just do a factory reset, a hard reset on these. The link is below in the description, so you know how you can factory reset these. It's pretty easy, okay? Anyway, any questions or issues, just comment below, all right? Good luck.